What's the meaning of cable stitch? Cable stitch. Cable stitch.
Cable stitch. Cable stitch. Cable stitch is a knitting technique that creates a pattern resembling interlocking braids or ropes. The stitches are crossed over each other, creating a twisted effect that stands out from the surrounding stitches. This technique is achieved by holding a set of stitches on a cable needle while knitting the next set of stitches. By crossing the sets over each other, the finished product results in a textured design that adds depth and visual interest to the knitted item. Cable stitch is commonly used in the construction of sweaters, scarves, hats, and blankets.